spacer size, the material of leopard 8 wheel spacers, and the hub centric of the leopard 8 wheel spacers. By taking these factors into consideration, you can choose the right leopard 8 wheel spacers and achieve the best effect. The first thing to consider is the size of the leopard 8 wheel spacers. The insulation effect is determined by the size of the leopard 8 wheel spacers you choose. As different for every vehicle, stock wheels and aftermarket wheels fitted, it is important to choose the right size for your car. Recommend you measure the distance between the fenders and tires. BONOSS offers a wide range of leopard 8 wheel spacer size from 25mm to 50mm and has customized service of unconventional thickness 3mm to 160mm or even thicker spot. BONOSS has an independent factory, so customized leopard 8 wheel spacers can be complete in 1 to 3 days at the fastest. In addition, BONOSS also offers ODM services. The second factor we need to consider is the material of the leopard 8 wheel spacers. Leopard 8 wheel spacers are usually made of aluminum alloy or steel. BONOSS leopard 8 wheel spacers are made of the higher quality forged 6026 and 00756 aluminum. Both forged aluminum 60626 and 00756 feature good hardness and toughness, excellent corrosion resistance, and wear resistance characteristics. Even when facing in part, they are not easy to break. The continuous forging at superior mechanical and physical properties created by heat and pressure. They are high strength for safety and security and very suitable for long-term applications. The third factor is hub-centric. Hub-centric spacers ensure that there is constant contact between the hub, spacer, and the wheel for a smooth and reliable ride. BONOSS leopard 8 wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub-centric rings. The hub-centric metal rings is machined to be multi-layers, and the bevels fit the corresponding hub branch, which eliminates any possible gaps. Besides, they are CNC machined with precision at 0.02mm tolerance. This improves the fit and functionality of spacers. Since spacers are components that contact the other part, you need tight tolerance. Based on traditional tire spacers, BONOSS leopard 8 wheel spacers come with more useful designs, such as active cooling grooves, learning surface, disassembly notches, and so on. These active cooling leopard 8 wheel spacers are designed to make brake cooling better. The heat dissipation grooves behind the spacers boost the cooling efficiency, reducing brake thermal decay and improving road safety. If you are considering installing leopard 8 wheel spacers these factors can help you choose the most suitable ones for your car. How to choose good wheel spacers for your Honda Civic Type R? Honda Civic Type R wheel spacers are devices that fit between the wheel and the hub for a vehicle, increasing the distance between the wheel and the hub assembly. They are often used to improve the appearance of a car, giving it a more giving it a more aggressive stance and filling out the wheel arches. But they can also be used to accommodate the large brake calipers by creating more room between the wheel and the brake component. Choosing the right Honda Civic Hub wheel spacers carefully consideration of series factors, including the wheel spacer size, the material of Honda Civic Hub wheel spacers, and the hub-centric. By taking these factors into consideration, you can choose the right Honda Civic Hub wheel spacers and achieve the best effect. The first thing to consider is the size of the Honda Civic Hub wheel spacers. The installation effect is determined by the size of Honda Civic Hub wheel spacers you choose. As distance are different for every vehicle, stock wheels and aftermarket wheels fitted, it is important to choose the right size of the car. Recommend you measure the distance between the fenders and tires. BONOSS offers a wide range of Honda Civic Hub wheel spacer size from 15mm to 50mm and has customized services of unconventional thickness, 3mm to 160mm, or even bigger spot. BONOSS has an independent factory, so customized Honda Civic Hub wheel spacers can be complete in 1 to 3 days at the fastest. In addition, BONOSS also offers OEM/ODM services. The second factor we need to consider is the material of the Honda Civic Hub wheel spacers. Honda Civic Hub wheel spacers are usually made of aluminum alloy or steel. BONOSS Honda Civic Hub wheel spacers are made of the highest quality forged 6061T6 and 7075T6 aluminum. Both forged aluminum 6061T6 and 7075T6 feature good hardness and toughness, excellent corrosion resistance, and wear resistant characteristics. Even when facing impact, they are not easy to break. The continuous forging adds superior mechanical and physical properties created by heat and pressure. They are high strength for safety and security and very suitable for long-term applications. The third factor is hub-centric. Hub-centric spacers ensure that there is constant contact between the hub, spacer, and wheel for a smooth and reliable ride. BONOSS Honda Civic Hub wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub-centric rings. The hub-centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers and the bevels with the corresponding hub branch, which eliminates any possible gaps. Besides, they are CNC machined with precision at 0.02mm tolerance. This improves the fit and functionality of spacers. Since spacers are components that contain the other part, you need tight tolerance. Based on traditional tire spacers, BONOSS Honda Civic Hub wheel spacers come with more useful designs, such as active cooling grills, knurling surface, disassembly notches, and so on. These active cooling Honda type wheel spacers are designed to make brake cooling better. The heat extraction grills behind the spacers boost the cooling efficiency, reducing brake thermal decay and improving road safety.